Hey there, welcome to the Connectify AI quick demo video. If you've ever wished your bio link could actually talk, engage, and sell for you, you're about to see something amazing. Because with Connectify AI, you can now turn a boring static link into a 24/7 talking salesperson that greets your visitors, promotes your offers, and even collects leads and sales automatically. It's perfect for marketers, influencers, freelancers, agencies, or anyone looking to make money online without tech skills, monthly fees, or paid ads. So let's dive in. Here's your Connectify AI dashboard. Right on top, you'll find quick actions like profile creation, analytics, and leads management. You can easily switch between light mode and dark mode based on your preference. Everything here is designed to be beginner-friendly, no coding, no design headaches, just plug, play, and profit. Now, from the left menu, click Profile Creation. Here you'll find a wide variety of professional bio templates for every niche. Influencers, coaches, agencies, creators, and more. You can search for any style or template using the search bar. Let's click Create New to start building a brand new AI bio page. Now, click Sync Facebook Profile, and Connectify AI will automatically fetch your profile picture, name, and bio information directly from your Facebook account. No typing. No manual setup. It's done in seconds. You can also select your profession, add a short bio, and even enhance it instantly using our built-in AI bio writer. With one click, your bio sounds professional, engaging, and sales ready. No need to hire a copywriter. Then just click Submit to move forward. You can choose to show or hide sections like property listings or offers, and everything on your page is fully editable anytime. Once you're done, click Manage URL. Here you can easily customize or copy your bio link to share anywhere online. Then click Save and move to the next step. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll find tabs for avatar, voice, script, and settings. You can upload your own photo or short video. Choose the avatar's gender, style, and animation, or generate a completely new AI avatar using our inbuilt generator. Whether you want it to look realistic, 3D, or cartoon-based. Then click Use Avatar, and boom, your personal AI spokesperson is ready. You can preview, adjust size and position, choose from multiple languages, and even enable autoplay on page load. So your avatar starts talking the moment someone lands on your page.
Hi, my name is Joey. I will read any.
The best part? You don't have to record your voice. Just type a script, and our AI lip syncs it perfectly in natural human tones. Your visitors will literally feel like you're speaking directly to them, which builds instant trust and connection. That's why creators and marketers love this. It turns cold clicks into real conversations that sell. Now, click on Lead Settings. Here you can enable or disable your lead capture pop-up, and even set when it appears, for example, after 5 or 10 seconds. You can make it show once or repeatedly, fully customize the pop-up title, button text, and success message, and then click Save Changes. That's it, your talking bio page now collects leads automatically while your avatar does the talking. This feature alone replaces tools like Opt-in Monster or MailChimp pop-ups, saving you $$ every month. Now let's view your live bio page. Look, your avatar introduces you, explains your offers, and even guides visitors on what to click.
Hi there, I'm Graham Stephan, a real estate consultant and dream home specialist. With over 15 years of experience, I started my journey in real estate right here in Las Vegas at just 18.
Leads appear instantly in your dashboard, no missed opportunities, no manual tracking. You can always return, tweak your avatar's position or voice, update your profile, and hit Save. Click Share, and you can instantly copy your profile URL, share it across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or WhatsApp. or even embedded on your website or landing page using the ready-made code. It's truly a done-for-you personal branding and conversion system in one link.
I invite you to explore my featured listings, learn more about my journey, portfolio, and connect with me directly on what.
Now let's head to analytics. Here you can see detailed insights like total visitors, total leads, total views, today's views. You can filter by day, week, or month. And even see your device breakdown: mobile, tablet, or desktop, and country-wise traffic distribution. This helps you understand exactly where your audience is coming from and which bio pages convert the best, so you can optimize for maximum profits. And that's not just data, that's money-making insight. Next, click on integrations. Connectify AI seamlessly integrates with top autoresponders like MailChimp, GetResponse, and ActiveCampaign, so every lead goes straight into your list or automation. And under leads and inquiries, you can easily filter, manage, or export data for follow-up campaigns or retargeting. And that's it, your Connectify AI bio page is ready. You've now got a fully automated AI system that builds your brand, talks to your audience, captures leads automatically, drives sales even while you sleep. No monthly fees, no tech setup, no ads, just pure automation and profit potential, all from one single smart link. It's like having a digital version of yourself working 24/7, talking, engaging, and selling while you focus on growing your business. So go ahead, log in, create your first talking bio page, and watch how Connectify AI transforms your followers into paying customers. Because remember, people don't buy from pages, they buy from people. And now your page is one. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the future of personal branding with Connectify AI.